Hello, my dear children. Hello, my dear children. Are you ready to listen the class? Are you perfect in the definitions of composition of two functions? Okay, right. Let us start exercise 1.1. Shall we start now? Yes. See the question number 1. Let f is a mapping from set 1, 3, 4 to set 1 to 5, and g is a mapping from set 1 to 5 to set 1, 3. Be given by f is equal to set order pair 1 comma 2 comma order pair 3 comma 5 comma order pair 4 comma 1, and g is equal to set order pair 1 comma 3 comma order pair 2 comma 3 comma order pair 5 comma 1. Write down g circle f. Understood the question, my dear children? Here f is a mapping and g is a mapping. F is a function and g is a function. Two functions are given here. What is the domain of f? Set 1, 3, 4. What is the codomain of f? Set 1 to 5. What is the domain of g function? 1 to 5. What is the codomain of the function g? Set to 1, 3. Okay, my dear children. And the functions are given like this in the roster form. The function is given in the roster form and g also given in the roster form. Now we have to find the composition of these two functions, that is g circle f. Okay, my dear children, now come to the solution part. First of all, we write the given data. What is given here? F is a mapping from set 1, 3, 4 to set 1 to 5. G is a mapping from set 1 to 5 to 1, 3. Right. See, f is equal to set ordered pair 1 comma 2 comma ordered pair 3 comma 5 comma ordered pair 4 comma 1, and g is equal to set ordered pair 1 comma 3 comma ordered pair 2 comma 3 comma ordered pair 5 comma 1. These are the given functions f and g. So here we can write these functions like this. The image of 1 is 2. Here the image of 3 is 5. The image of 4 is 1. Understood, my dear children? Similarly, image of this element 1 is 3. The image of the element 2 is 3. The image of the element 5 is 1. So we can write these functions like this. F of 1 is equal to 2. That is, image of 1 is equal to 2. Similarly, we can write f of 3 is equal to 5. F of 3 is equal to 5. Similarly, f of 4 is equal to 1. G of 1 is equal to 3. G of 2 is equal to 3. G of 5 is equal to 1. Understood these steps, my dear children? Now, we know that here G circle f of x is equal to G of f of x. This is the definition of composition of two functions, namely f and g. Okay, my dear children. Now, we find the images, the values of G circle f for every element. Okay, my dear children. So, G circle f of 1 is equal to G of f of 1. From this equation, by using this definition, we wrote this step. Understood, my dear children? Now, G of, what is f of 1 here? See here, f of 1 is equal to 2. So, we are substituting f of 1 here. Now, G of 2 is equal to, what is G of 2? Here 3. So, we got here 3. So, G circle f of 1 is equal to 3. Understood, my dear children? So, here 1 comma 3, ordered pair 1 comma 3 is an element in the function G circle f. Okay, right. Now, come to the image of the next element, that is 3. Now, we are finding G circle f of 3 value. So, by using the definition of composition of functions, we can write this one as G of f of 3, okay, from equation 1. Then G of f of 3 value, we are substituting f of 3 value. What is f of 3 value? 5. So, we wrote here because f of 3 is equal to 5. Understood, my dear children? This is step. Now, this is equal to 1. G of 5 value. What is G of 5 value? 1 only. So, we wrote 1. Okay, my dear children? Understood this step? Therefore, G circle f of 3 is equal to 1. The image of 3 under this function is 1. Okay, my dear children? So, ordered pair 3 comma 1 is another element in the function G circle f. This is the second element in the function G circle f. Similarly, we find G circle f of 4. Okay, my dear children? G of f of 4. We can write this one as G of f of 4 by using the function 1, composition of two functions. G of f of 4. What is f of 4 value? 1. So, I wrote here G of 1. and g of 1 value. What is g of 1 value? 3. So that is equal to 3. So finally, g circle f of 4 is equal to 3. Understood, my dear children? So 4 comma 3, ordered pair 4 comma 3 is the another element in the function g circle f. So finally, therefore we can write g circle f is equal to set of ordered pair 1 comma 3 comma ordered pair 3 comma 1 comma ordered pair 4 comma 3. These three are the elements in the function g circle f. Understood, my dear children? Right. Now I am representing the G circle f in the arrow diagram as shown below. Okay, my dear children, see here first domain 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5 for the function f. This is a domain 1, 3, 4 and codomain is 1, 2, 5. And for the function g, 1, 2, 5 is a domain and 1, 3 is a codomain. Okay, my dear children, I am representing this function f by arrow diagram like this. 1 is connected with 2, 3 is connected with 5 and 4 is connected with 1. Similarly, 1 is connected with 3 and 2 is also connected with 3 and 5 is connected with 1 under the function g. Now g circle f. So here 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3 first and last element we have take 3, 5, 5, 1. So 3 and 1 only, 3 comma 1. Similarly 4, 1, 1, 3. So 4 comma 3. Understood, my dear children, this arrow diagram of G circle F? Right. Now come to the next question, that is question number 2. Let F comma G and H be functions from R to R. Show that F plus G circle H is equal to F circle H plus G circle H. F into G of circle H is equal to F circle H dot G circle H. We have to prove the two statements. These two statements should be proved. Okay, my dear children, understood the question? Right. Now come to the solution part. What is given? First of all, we write the given data. What is given here? F, G and H are the functions from R to R. These three functions are defined from real numbers to real numbers. Okay, my dear children. Now we have to prove that F plus G of circle H is equal to F circle H plus G circle H. We have to prove this statement. So to prove this statement, I am taking LHS. What is LHS? F plus G of circle H. So I took this one in the LHS of X is equal to, okay, we are taking its image X, okay, F plus G of H of X, because G circle F of X is equal to G of F of X by using the composition of two functions. Consider this is one function and this is the second function. So we are applying the composition of two functions definition here. That is equal to f of h of x plus g of h of x, because f plus g of x, sum of two functions, is equal to f of x plus g of x. Understood this step, my dear children? Right. That is equal to f circle h of x plus g circle h of x, because g of f of x is equal to g circle f of x. By using this result, I wrote this step. Understood, my dear children? That is equal to RHS. We got RHS. Hence, the statement is proved here. Okay, my dear children, understood here. Now, we have to prove that F into G of circle H is equal to F circle H into G circle H. We have to prove this statement. Again, to prove this statement, I am taking LHS. What is LHS? F into G of circle H. So I took here LHS. F into G circle H of X is equal to. So here F into G of H of X by using the composition of two functions definition here, because G circle F of X is equal to G of F of X. By using the definition, I wrote this step. Understood, my dear children? That is equal to F of H of X into G of H of X, because product of two functions f into g of x is equal to f of x into g of x. By using this result, I wrote this step. Understood, my dear children? Right. That is equal to f circle h of x into g circle h of x, because g of f of x is equal to g circle f of x. By using this definition, I wrote this step. Understood, my dear children? Right. That is equal to f circle h into g circle h of x. That is nothing but RHS. We have proved here. Hence, f into g of circle h is equal to f circle h into g circle h. Okay, my dear children? Understood? Right. Now come to the question number 3. Find g circle f and f circle g. If f of x is equal to mod x and g of x is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. Here f of x and g of x, two functions are defined like this, and we have to find g circle f and f circle g also. And second question, f of x is equal to 8x cube and g of x is equal to x power 1 by 3. This is the second question. For this question also we have to find g circle f and f circle g. Understood, my dear children? So first we take the first question. What is given here? First we write the given data. What is given here? F of x is equal to mod x and g of x is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. Okay, my dear children? Right. G circle f of x is equal to g of f of x. By using this definition, I wrote this step. Understood, my dear children? Right. That is equal to g of mod x. Since f of x is equal to mod x, in this place of f of x, I wrote value of f of x here. Understood this step, my dear children? Right. That is equal to modulus of 5 mod x minus 2, because g of x is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. Okay, my dear children, we are using this value here. I wrote this step. Understood, my dear children? Right. Now come to f circle g of x, means f of g of x. By using this definition, f circle g of x is equal to f of g of x. So we wrote this step. Understood this step, my dear children? Yes. That is equal to f of, what is g of x? G of x is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. So I wrote it here. That is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2, because f of x is equal to mod x. So consider this entire value is x. Okay, in that value x we are writing modulus of x 5x minus 2. Understood? That is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2, because modulus of x is equal to mod x. Right. Now come to the second question. What is given here? F of x is equal to 8x cube and g of x is equal to x power 1 by 3. This is the given data for us. Now we are going to find out g circle f of x. That is equal to g of f of x, because g circle f of x is equal to g of f of x. By using this formula, I wrote this step. Understood, my dear children? That is equal to g of 8x cube, because f of x is equal to 8x cube. In this place, f of x I wrote 8x cube. Understood this step, my dear children? Right. Now 8x cube whole power 1 by 3, because g of x is equal to x cube. We are using this result here. Right. That is equal to, this can be written as 2x whole cube. Can we write it or not? Yes, 2x whole cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now we get here 2x only, because a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Okay, my dear children, therefore g circle f of x is equal to 2x. Understood, my dear children? Right.